welcome to my channel. This is another one of my Sunday dinner recipes, and today we're doing vegan Rasta Pasta, one of my favorites. The ingredients for this recipe will be red pepper, green pepper, a yellow pepper, a habanero pepper or a Scotch bonnet, some Penne Rigate or Penne Pasta, an onion, some fresh garlic, a coconut cream, some jerk seasoning, mine is homemade, some flavorice seasoning, some vegetable stock, a little bit of cooking oil, and of course some fresh thyme. Okay, so let's prepare the noodles for the pasta. First you want to get a pot, fill it up with water. Put this on high heat. First I always add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil, just for the water. Bring it to a boil. Go ahead and add the noodles in. Follow the instructions for the noodles that you have. Give it a nice little stir once you pour it in. Once it come back to a boil, let it cook for 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, give it a nice little stir to make sure it's where you need to be. You want it to be cooked but not fully cooked, because it's going to finish cooking inside of the pasta when you put it together, so al dente. Once you get it how you need it, drain it, rinse it off so you can cool it down, put it in another bowl, set it off to the side. Easy. Now let's cook. Good parts. Turn the pot on medium heat, medium high basically. Put in a little bit of oil. First put in the onions. Bring them to a nice temperature till they're a little translucent, and then you go ahead and drop in your peppers. Once you get all your peppers in, go ahead and let it cook. Give it a nice little stir, basically so you can wake up the peppers and give it a nice little char to it. And once you get them nice and translucent also, go ahead and add in the garlic. Stir that around, let that cook a bit. This is an easy dish to cook. Give it a nice little stir. Again, go ahead and add in the thyme. Put in the flavorice seasoning. Go ahead and put in some of the jerk seasoning. And then you want to give it a nice stir. Let all the flavors working up. And it's just, the smell is amazing. So then you want to add in the coconut cream. Yeah, buddy. Then once after you get that in there, stir it with a nice little stir. Once you give it a nice little stir, then you want to go ahead and add in the vegetable broth. And mix that all in. Once you get it all stirred in, let it cook for a bit and let it come back to a boil. Once it gets to a slight boil, go ahead and add in the pasta. And then you want to definitely give this a nice mix. Stir it all in. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan. It shouldn't be stuck anyway, but definitely scrape the bottom of the pan. Get everything all mixed and infused in. And I like to add in just a little bit more of the rest of my jerk seasoning. And I give it one more quick stir. Let it cook just a little bit just to get everything all infused in. And there you go. Vegan Rasta Pasta.
Bravo. Delicious.